Are you struggling to make profits trading cryptocurrencies and tired of wasting money on trading classes that don't deliver results? We've got a solution for you. Our trading AI has been developed by a seasoned trader from Switzerland and has been tested over years to help you make successful trades. All you need to do is sign up with Bybit using the link below, and you'll receive free money on your first deposit as well as reduced trading fees. Once you're set up, you can effortlessly copy the trading bots with just one click. Our AI currently has a 100% win rate and generates over 15% ROI per month, and we're confident you'll see the results for yourself. Don't believe us? Try it out for free by following the links in the description and see for yourself. Sign up now and take your trading game to the next level. A weird event occurred today, April 19th, so I want to offer you a quick update. Several tokens are currently beginning to rise in value as the market as a whole has started to increase. This could be a precursor to a significant breakout this week. I'm currently taking a close look at this as an investor, therefore I strongly suggest you join the Patreon group. You won't want to miss out on the notifications I'll be sending out this week, so join if you're interested by clicking the link in the description down below. But this week will bring about some bizarre events. I predict that the CPI report will indicate that inflation is still declining, which will trigger a wave of relief in the market and lead investors to buy a little bit more in Bitcoin. Bitcoin might reach 29 and then 29.5. Then, at 30,000, slightly above that. Additionally, if Bitcoin crosses the 30,000 mark, it may experience another uptrend and reach a high of $34,500. And all of these alternative coins will need to catch up. Shiba Inu will need to catch up. As a result, Alana, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, and everything else will need to catch up to where their respective levels would be. And with this, we're talking about gains of 70%. We therefore view this as a significant opportunity at this time. It will be crucial to see what occurs this week, therefore I urge you to join the Patreon group that is linked in the description below. The week to be looking at it is this one, so make sure we're doing our study and that you're aware of every altcoin out there that offers value. We often experience one hotter week than the others once a month. Be prepared for it since that week is this week. If you look at Bitcoin, the price has increased significantly today. Hence, if the market starts to rise on a Sunday night, it usually means that the market will rise overall, especially that week. That's a significant issue right there. So, a thesis has the exact same response as the fact that Bitcoin prices are rising and you should always check Ethereum as well. Get prepared for some significant changes this week. It is quite likely to occur. A slight rise was present in the Solana at 20 at the same time. So compared to the past 3 months, Solana was far more valuable when Bitcoin was less expensive. Bitcoin should therefore be more valuable. They are. So far, I wouldn't be shocked if it quickly increases to $30. Thus, this week is the one to be alert for and prepared for. I wanted to swiftly get to that. Moreover, I want to share with you guys a brief anecdote about something really significant that happened a few months back. At the time, I was looking into some of the available altcoins and had several members tell me about the Patreon members who asked me to buy some of the blue chip tokens and how they want to invest all of their funds in cryptocurrencies. And I added, "You have to be careful." That's what I said. We all have to choose what's best for our individual financial conditions, therefore it stands to reason that everyone makes their own financial decisions. But I like to diversify because I think it's important. Keep your diversification in mind. Never do that action. Yes, there are some people who wish to succeed and earn a sufficient amount of money. The fact that they will never work again. Like I said, buy whatever you want, that's fine and all, and I want you to realize your aspirations, no matter what they may be. We must be somewhat realistic though, as nothing is ever simple or guaranteed. Nothing happens overnight despite the stories you've heard of people becoming extremely wealthy overnight. Yet the reason for that is that it persisted for a very long time. Anyway, to cut to the chase, a few of my group's members are getting into some blue chip tokens. And they resembled Solana, Chainlinks, Polygons, Polkadots, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Polkadots. There's another one, just the top tokens, I believe it's called Cosmos. Each of those can be found among the top 20 tokens on this list. And they made the decision to somewhat diversify and add a little to each one. In November of last year, when the market was at its most volatile, it was a perfect moment to buy, as we can see in retrospect. But this is the reason I consistently advise buying when there is blood on the streets. And so they did. They are present here. They were messaging me a few weeks ago and sort of displaying what they had recently purchased and sold out. They then started pocketing the money. And seeing how great some people are doing is amazing. Because they researched and made that leap of faith. Many of them wanted to purchase all coins, so I advised them to conduct further investigation. Several of them wanted to engage in a variety of activities about which they lacked sufficient knowledge. After conducting their investigation, they came to the conclusion, "Alright, I'm not going to get into that whole coin that I know nothing about." After performing more investigation, they discovered that, perhaps, it isn't the greatest token, and this led them to the blue chip altcoins. Some individuals also like to claim, "Well, I don't like this because I don't think it will do 1,000 times as well." You can still make a ton of money with these tokens, but they won't have the same attraction as some of these tokens that promise instant riches. And it is the reason you desire to be wealthy. You should still invest in micro-cap tokens if you take a look at the authentic tokens. I enjoy buying micro-cap tokens. Nonetheless, it just makes up a little fraction of my portfolio. I like to invest in the top 25 blue chip tokens and buy them once the market turns red and sell them whenever it turns green. That's how easy it is. Once you start doing it, you just keep doing it. You also begin to have more money to invest. Of course, you can make more money if you have more money to invest. Basically, the story is that these people acquired blue chip tokens back in November when things were bad, and a lot of them have since gone up. And as a result, they have made a lot of money with them. I'll use that as an example. As a result, if you look at Solana and go back to November, Solana was extremely undervalued. Solana therefore fell all the way to $9 in November. The SP surged up to $26 at the start of this year, a 160% rise. That is incredible. It's incredible to see your money multiply by 160%. And to think that it is still extremely low in comparison to where it was a year ago. Goes $100 during this time of year. 500%, or 5 times what it is presently. So give that some thought. Nonetheless, I cherish you all. I hope you enjoyed your Sunday. I hope your Easter was lovely, and I'll see you at the next one.